Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you, and then if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. I'm also on Instagram. I will put the link just on here guys on the screen, so you can come and join me on Instagram as well, and any video requests just drop me a private message over there as well. Today I'm going to share with you a sponsored video in collaboration with CraftyG. CraftyG, her name is Tash. Tash has got a small independent business on Etsy, and she sells all sorts. She sells crafty project, designing and all of that. So I will put all the detail CraftyG on the description down below. Why I have decided to work with Tash. As you guys know, I work with different brands, and most of them are huge, big brands. And I thought now I will start working with independent small businesses, because with whatever is going on the world at the moment, what's suffering now is actually the small independent businesses. So I have decided if I can, and I will love to work with small independent business and promote their work. Hence why when Tash come across and I say yes, absolutely love to work with you and support your business. So she sent me a kit to make a 6x6 mini album. So what I'm gonna do with you today guys, I'm not gonna do a video tutorial, because you can buy this kit and also you get a free tutorial done by the lovely Tash, and she's got a really nice soft voice. When you get this bundle, you get for free the tutorial, so you know exactly how to make the album. So I'm gonna open the box with you. On the other side there is my address, so I open it this side. So let's put it on the other way around. So this is the box that you're going to get, a really nice sturdy box. That you got is CraftyG logo. I think it's just the paper, yeah. So that's Tash logo. And as I said, she's got a business on Etsy, so which I'll put all the link in here. So when you open it, wow, it's beautifully wrapped. This is what I mean when you buy from independent businesses. You get the attention detail, you get the care of packing, you get really nice letters, you know, you get all like this little attention to detail that is really nice and sweet. So I've got, look at this, it's two cute flowers with a metallic, which I'm going to save them because they will come handy. There's a really steady box as well. So it's in there. Thank you for your recent purchase to CraftyG. Inside you will find your kit to make your 6x6 mini album. For your step-by-step instruction to make your kit, please go to YouTube. So that's the business card that you put on every order. So if you buy it, when you buy it, you will get exactly what I get in here. So you get this beautiful wrapped box with a sticker. It's all, again, everything matches, everything's coordinated. And this is what I mean when you buy from independent businesses. You get the attention to detail, you get everything matches, the little hand note and all of that. I love about this, about independent small businesses. So there's still more flowers. So what you get, because I watched, she sent me the link of the video that she made that you will get when you purchase this kit. She's got really nice, soft, warm voice. So you get really piece of sturdy, look how thick it is. I think it's 1/8 or 2/8 on an inch. It's huge. It's really sturdy. This will be the cover of your album, and then you've got a 9 piece of 12x12 white, thick white cardstock. Okay, so what am I gonna do guys, as I said, I won't do a video tutorial because Tash will send you her video tutorial as a part of the purchase. So I'm gonna show you in a really high speed how I make my my own album, And then once it's all done, guys, I will come back in here and I'll show you how to decorate it, because this 6x6 album is going to be white with white paper. In her tutorial, Tash will show you how to make the insert inside as well, which it works as little pocket. I won't be doing on mine because I'm going to decorate my album. It's going to be actually covered with print design paper, but this is a fantastic album to work for. So the price is £20, and you get the free postage as well. So you get all this the things that you need to make the album and the video tutorial. It's a really affordable price because the quality of the paper is a really thick cardstock, and this is a really nice steady piece or to make the cover of the album. So really good value. Right guys, I'll make my album. I'm gonna speed it up and I'll come back with you once it's all nice and finished. Okay guys, it's so all done. Just look, it's white and it's beautiful, because this could be an amazing wedding gift for somebody. You can put the initial or the name of the, you know, the people that receive the gift. I'm just gonna quickly go through. Now on her tutorial, you will see how Tash created the binder here and how she creates a little pocket from the pages. Now I'm not going to leave this white, I'm going to decorate it, but just to show you, every page, it just open just like a concertina. So each page, it just opens up like that. And it's absolutely beautiful. On Tash tutorial, Tash will show you how to create a little pocket here on the bottom so you can put your photograph or your, you know, little gift or souvenirs or anything that you guys want to store in there. It's a fantastic, very, very simple tutorial, and Tash is explaining everything really, really, really clearly. Now I'm going to decorate it with some floral pattern paper, and I'll come back with you guys once it's all nice and done. Okay guys, so I have decorated my album. It's all nice, almost dry, ready to show you. What I like about this album, guys, because the cover is really, really, really thick, and I'm going to show you, because you're gonna get a spare piece. It's really, really thick, really thick. I really like that. So what I've done, I use a different paper from Stampin' Up. Now I'm rubbish, absolutely rubbish with names, but what I wanted to create is something really bright, colourful, reminds me of garden, because me and Jamie, when we got married here in Sheffield, we went to Town Hall and then we went to the Peace Garden, and there's a lot of pictures, quite a lot of florals like on the background, so I wanted to kind of like our album to recreate that as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly give you a quick flick through. So this is the cover, and that's the side. Again, look how thick it is, and that's the back. Okay, and that's what it looks like from the top. Okay, so, and all pages open exactly the same. I have played with different colors and plain and print. I mean, some bits the glue is still fresh, so it needs to glue. They need to dry a bit more. I absolutely love it. And that's the end. Okay. Guys, that is it for today. I just want to say thank you to CraftyG, and please go and check her Etsy shop down. I'll just put the link in the description box. You can guys have a look. So as I said, guys, please try to support British independent businesses. So I have decided, I just had a chat with Jamie before I start filming this video today, and I said we both thought that this year for Christmas we're only gonna shop from independent shops. We're not gonna, we try where possible to avoid high street shops, and I know it's hard because everyone needs, you know, to be paid and all of that, but I think after whatever is happening now in the world, I think it's more independent businesses. It's basically the people that need the majority of the help. So we try where possible to support these local and small businesses. Right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like my garden album. It's really easy. It was gorgeous in white as well, so I like it both. But white is not very me, so you know I had to put my own stamp on it. Right, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give a massive thumbs up, because that will support the video doing well. I put the link on my Instagram here on the screen, so you guys can go and press a big follow. Any video requests, join me over there, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and I will see you very soon.